Hello everyone. Wanted to introduce you to my newest project. I've actually had it a little while. This is another rescue, but I think this one could really be a classic. This is a 1973 Jaguar XKE. It evidently had been in the process of being restored, and then something happened. The paint is absolutely spectacular. Interior is trash. Engine is in great shape, and the engine compartment has been all detailed, as well as the suspension, which you'll see in a bit. But just incredible lines. I know it's often rumored that Enzo Ferrari said this was the best looking car ever made. Looking at the rear of this car, you'll notice the two exhaust tips. Different years had 4 exhaust tips. I'd like your comments. Should I convert to the 4, or do you like the 2? Interior leaves a bit to be desired, but it is original from 1973. Pretty classic Jaguar dash, all those buttons and such. Does have air conditioning. I'm thinking of changing from black to a saddle tan type of color. Curious your thoughts. Big part of what makes these cars special is the engine. These had a 12-cylinder, 4 Stromberg carburetors. To get it running, I desmogged it, which was quite a job. It's amazing the engine could even breathe with all this stuff on it. I rebuilt the carbs, put a new Petronix ignition in it, new fuel, and it literally fired the very first time. As with everything here at the Donkey Ranch, I like to modify and update stuff. One thing we'll be doing is replacing these wheels and tires. I've got 16-inch by 7 spoke wheels coming, and these are 15 by 6. I checked the date code on these tires. They are original from 1973, and all 4 hold air. Some people think the older model XKEs are better looking. I tend to like these newer ones. If you notice, the wheel well is flared out like that, both on the front here and in the back. It allows for much wider tires to be put on, and since I'll be putting wider tires on, that works out. Some of the other modifications: bigger sway bars, a new modern starter, modern air conditioning compressor, and depending how it goes, I will probably put a 5-speed in it, which is a pretty big step, but it'd be nice to cruise along the highway at a decent clip.